Dear friends in Slovenia, dear members of the Slovenia Medical Chamber, greetings from Jerusalem. My name is Anton Asfar, and I have the honor of serving as the Secretary General of Caritas Jerusalem. Today, I speak to you with a heavy heart about the devastating humanitarian crisis unfolding in Gaza. The people there are facing unimaginable suffering. Hospitals are overwhelmed, medical supplies are running out, and families are struggling to access even the most basic necessities. Gaza is again on the verge of a famine. The health system is on the brink of collapse, with many facilities either damaged or completely destroyed. Doctors and nurses are working under extreme conditions, doing everything they can to save lives with limited resources. Caritas Jeruzalem, together with our partners, is on the ground, providing cash assistance, urgent medical aid, food, and essential supplies. But the need is immense, and we cannot do this alone. The support of Caritas Slovenia and the Slovenia Medical Chamber is making a real difference. Your generosity is helping us provide cash assistance, medicines, medical equipment, and emergency aid to those who in need most. To give you a sense of the scale of this crisis, more than 113,000 people have been injured. Many of them are women and children. Hospitals are operating beyond capacity, with patients receiving treatment in hallways and even outside. There is a severe shortage of antibiotics, painkillers, and surgical supplies. This is why your support is so critical. Every donation can mean the difference between life and death for someone in need. Your solidarity as doctors and dentists is a beacon of hope for the people of Gaza. On behalf of Caritas Jerusalem and the people we serve, I want to extend our deepest gratitude to Caritas Slovenia, the Slovenia Medical Chamber, and every medical professional who is standing with us in this time of crisis. Your compassion and generosity remind us that humanity knows no borders. Please continue to support this vital cause. Together, we can bring healing, relief, and hope to those who need it most. Thank you.